Hello everybody, today I'm going to attempt to paint like a night sky with like wisping clouds, almost like northern lights or like city lights flaring in the background. Start with this real dark blue. Alright, enough of that. Now, take a little bit lighter blue. Scrape the dried paint off the cap, it's not working right. Alright, I'm just kind of going to go in an upward direction, get a nice little mist going there. So now, go in with some stars actually I'm going to put in the background before I do the mountains. So what I'm doing is taking these two fingers, I'm going to hose them down with white paint. Oh, I got a hole in my glove. Great. Flick once off of the picture and then right onto it. I always flick off once, otherwise you get huge drops and it just doesn't look quite right. Do that one more time and we're going to call that good. Now I'm going to have to kind of let that dry, get a new pair of gloves that I just tore right through, and I have a white finger. Perfect. Alright, so I'm going to turn the camera off. We'll be back in about 20 minutes when that dries. Alright, we are back at it again. So now I'm going to make I got this torn up piece of poster board. I'm going to kind of make some mountains here in the background, so I'm just going to put that down and spray black. Do the same thing going the other way here. Alright, got our first set of mountains there. Now, we're going to put a little white, make a mist or a fog, because I want to do like another set of mountains in front of that. Let the black dry first. Whatever. Getting another set of mountains in front of that. So now I kind of want to add some color to the sky. I think by doing that, I'm just going to use that same stencil I used for the mountain and just kind of like do the same thing I do for the clouds. Just gonna pops of color in there. This, try to move it around at different elevations so it's not the same pattern every time. Alright, so we got some kind of lines going. Alright, it's kind of getting a little muddy, but I'm going to end up placing that over the top, doing another mountain. So we're going to pause this for about 10-15 minutes and come back. Alright, I wanted to add some white to the background of these mountains, so just kind of going to set that down. Alright, let that dry for a minute. I'll set that back down. Then we're going to do black over the top of that. Drying process is taking much longer now that my heater died. I'm just going to go for it, see how it works out. So, take this, lay it down where I wanted those mountains to be. Just going to take the black, alright, pull that off of there. Yeah, those mountains in the background are kind of a thing of the past. So I'm just going to add a few small trees. Handy dandy fan brush and a straight brush. Take black, spray it inside there. Give myself a little paint palette. Now, we'll just do a few little trees. Tree there. Smaller one there. One there. Larger one there, and another one off to the side here. Do a small one there. Start slowly dabbing on the paint, getting a little wider as you go down, making a pine tree. Do this one more time with this. Then I'm going to move on to the fan brush, lay it down a little quicker. Alright. Fan brush going. Thing is getting a little hard. Try to soften it up with some paint. That kind of worked a little bit. Alright, get a little more black paint in here now. Alright, let's see how this is working out for us now. A little better. Alright, on to the next one. On to the next one. Again, I started out with the little stripe brush. Just until it gets wide enough to hit it with the fan brush. I think it just got to that point now. Alright, next tree. This one I think I'm just going to do all of it with the straight brush because it's such a small tree. Couple more. Add a little more black. Room for my arm over here so I'm not knocking everything over. My dog whining outside, right outside the garage. She can hear my voice, so it's very difficult for her to be alone. Separation anxiety. Just goes so much quicker with the fan brush. Alright, one last little guy. Probably do that whole thing with this little straight brush because it's a tiny little one. And the black paint on there. Alright, so we're going to throw some clear coat on this one. Throw on the signature. Another one down. Let me know if you guys are learning a thing or two, or if you're trying this at home. Trying to make a bunch of beginner series, real simple paintings. So, let me know what you think. Let me know if it helped. Let me know if I need to do a better job. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe so you can see the next one I come out with. Every week, brand new videos, so please do subscribe. Helps everybody out see these videos. Also, more interaction. Scratch in my signature. Look how the blue came through on that one. That looks nice. Alright, I'll give you all a little bit of a closer view, and hopefully we will see you all next week. There we have it. Little night sky. Have a good week, guys.